Hey, my name is Daniel Mason Jones, and we are finally into 2021. What does that even mean, right? 2020 was a crazy year. We all went through it, and here's what I know. We survived it. That's the good news. Now, hopefully, we learned a lot of things in 2020 that would help move us through 2021 in a more organized and more effective way. Now, of course, just like you, I'm missing all the shows, the events, the education, all of the things that we had at our fingertips. Luckily, social media and digital platforms have really blown up and allowed us to connect with each other. However, we still long for that human one-on-one experience being with each other in 3D education. Meanwhile, I just want to touch base and see how you're feeling. In our industry, we had so many feelings. It was every day we were up, we were down, we were up, we were down. It was so crazy what we were going through. And even now, as COVID numbers are spiking across the United States, how we're feeling, our cancellations each day. I'm not sure if you're like me, but you may have a completely full book during the day and 2 or 3 of your guests will fall off throughout the day just because they've experienced symptoms or maybe they were even exposed. What does that look like for us as an industry moving forward? Now, we could take that as something that would paralyze us, or we could look at this as an opportunity. For me, I'm looking in the opportunity direction. Maybe inside of our salon, if we're losing 1 or 2 guests a day off of our books through cancellations, the big thing that we would need to do is start marketing more, right? We need to bring more guests into our chairs. That way, when we have those cancellations, there's someone automatically to fill that back up. So the first thing is looking for a new guest. Now, if you have a book that's averaging 80 to 85% booked, you're already doing pretty okay. Now we have another opportunity at our fingertips, and that is to add on an experience. So if someone comes in to see you for a haircut, maybe if we know they could do better with a color, or they might benefit from having a few highlights or a gloss, or maybe even a brow wax, we can elevate that experience. The other thing, if you're working in the nail industry, they come in for a basic manicure, pedicure, you can always add on a deluxe service. So no matter what you do inside this industry, there's always going to be areas for opportunity and growth. Now in 2020, when our salons and spas, barbershop closed all over the world, we had to quickly grab on and navigate new directions. Sadly, a lot of salons, spas, shops have not reopened and will not reopen. People have had to navigate and find new homes to work, and a lot of people even left our industry. For those of us that are still hanging on, we have to stay inspired and encouraged. Make sure that we're surrounding ourselves with people that lift us up, people that make us feel better and stronger each and every day. You know, of course, we're taking temperatures, we're wearing the mask, we're doing all the things that we can, and that's one of the reasons that our industry has been recognized as one of the safest places to be during this time. Now, we know that restaurants also are pretty safe, but the salon, spa, and barbershop, our industry has really held our standards so high. That's something we should all be incredibly proud of. Now, in our salon, we've always made a statement that we would keep safety first, no matter what it was. We've gained so many new guests inside of our company just because they know that we're exercising the protocols and making sure we're keeping everything safe. One of our slogans that we heard a fellow artist say that we've adopted this year has been, "Safety is the new luxury." When your customers are coming in, some of them may have one feeling this direction or another feeling the other direction, but either way, they want to know that they're in a safe environment, being cared for in the best way that we know how. I want to ask you, how many of you are using your social media platforms right now to spread positivity and invite new people in to see you for a service that you offer? What does that look like? Does that mean that you're going to go in, slide in the DMs and say, "Hey, come see me, I want to do your hair, skin, nails"? No. That means you want to make yourself available, showcasing exactly who you are as a professional, making people want to come and see you. Now, if you've ever been in any of my seminars or classes, you've heard me say this time and time again. People will buy you if you sell you. So right now, someone's looking to do business with you. The only problem is you haven't let them know who or where you are. When you're on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, my gosh, we have so many platforms now, TikTok, you want to let people know what your area of expertise is. I love to always say this, the niches are where the riches are. I know the word's really a niche market, but to keep the rhyme simple, we know that the riches are in the niches, so double down and let people know where your area of expertise is. If you're amazing at doing hand-tied extensions, let everyone know that you are the best in your area and how you can transform their lives. So many times when we're putting ourselves out through social media channels, we're talking about what we do or who we are, but what we need to do is focus on letting them know that they are the hero and we have the solutions to their problems. So navigating in this new COVID world with all the safety protocol and precautions that we do, we can still have fun, we can still make an incredible livelihood, and live in a sustainable career. With that being said, I'm asking you all to stay safe, stay healthy, love one another, lift one another, stay engaged, and take as much education as you can. Until we can see each other again in person, do the best that we can. Let's stay connected through social media. If you have any questions, make sure to seek me out, Daniel Mason Jones. I've also created a couple of free classes and some paid online courses that will help you take yourself through the next level in your career. So whether that's leadership, social media, branding, marketing, whatever that might be, I am here for you. Thank you so much. Stay healthy. On behalf of Premier, we appreciate you so much.